Hi everyone, and we are greeting you on our special project Russia Off-Road. We are here to discover the most unusual and fascinating travel destinations of Russia and of course to share them with you. This section is for the most passionate travelers. So, let's start! For sure, big cities are the most popular places in Russia. St. Petersburg and Moscow attract millions of tourists every year. However, Russia is such a big country that we can't simply limit it with just two sports. And today, we invite you to the most faraway destination you can just imagine, to Kamchatka Peninsula. If you look at the map of Russia, Kamchatka is the most eastern piece of land on it. This is a very mysterious area. Even Russians don't normally know much about it, apart from those who live there, of course. At the same time, this is a stunningly beautiful region with the most spectacular nature you can possibly imagine. They have mountains, ocean, volcanoes, thermal springs, waterfalls, and miles of green forests with a unique ecosystem. Knowing this, Kamchatka definitely deserves to be placed on anyone's bucket list. Even those whose knowledge about Kamchatka is really limited imagine this peninsula as the territory of volcanoes, and in reality there are a number of them here, and you can go trekking to some of them. There are some really experienced guides who can lead you to the very top. One of the popular routes leads to Mutnovsky volcano, where you can literally look into the crater and see the burning soil with your own eyes. This sight is spectacular and somewhat frightening. Seems like you are looking at the portal to hell. If you like extreme feelings and search for adrenaline, this is your place. One more fascinating thing on this route is the Opasny Canyon, where you admire a stunning 80-meter waterfall. Here, you really feel the power of nature and learn to respect it more than anywhere else. Another volcano that you are welcome to explore is called Gorely. It is a 3-hour trek to the very top, where you find yourself right next to the steaming craters. You can imagine the unique chemistry of everything that you see and touch there. The steam has a very specific smell of natural gas, and on the way you see the blue lake. The water there is the brightest turquoise color you have ever seen. Don't you dare swim in this lake or even touch the liquid. This is acid. The most fit and adventurous travelers can join a large-scale trek to Avachinsky volcano. The ascent there will take about 5–6 hours. However, you will be rewarded with the most breathtaking view in your life. The volcano is pretty high, 2,741 meters, so you will see the entire peninsula just at your feet. Imagine colorful mountain chains, sharp summits staring clouds, winding coastline, and the mighty Pacific Ocean. All this is definitely worth the trip. There is one more volcano that will probably give you the strongest impression of the natural power. Tolbachek is the active volcano, which erupts every now and then. The latest eruption took place in 2012, and there were two big streams of lava, 16 and 20 kilometers long. That is about 10 and 12 miles. After the eruption, lava cooled down and hardened in the most peculiar and unusual shapes that form amazing sculptures. There are also some lava caves you can have a look inside, and a lava stream that is still so hot that you can easily grill sausages on its heat. On top of Tolbachek, you also find a spectacular view on a number of other volcanoes and mountains. You are surrounded by the monumentality of nature, and taken away by its strength. In the area, you can also visit the dead forest and feel its mysterious atmosphere. The hot lava dried the roots of the trees in the forest, so they stand there for many years like embalmed mummies. However, life always takes over death, so by now you can see green spots here and there. Another famous Kamchatka feature is its thermal springs, which stay hot even in the middle of freezing Russian winter. There are quite a few resorts and pools where you can enjoy swimming in the hot and relaxing thermal water. This is probably the best you can treat yourself with after a long and energy-consuming day of trekking. If you have the chance to come in winter, the outside temperature is below zero, but the thermal water is still hot. Swimming in the outdoor pool in this weather, you can do funny hairstyles. Your wet hair freezes in weird shapes in just a moment. Apart from volcanoes, the undoubted natural wonder of Kamchatka is the Pacific Ocean. There are a number of cruises that you can take to enjoy it. You cross the Tikhaya Bay, Quiet Bay, and enjoy the scenic view of famous rocks called Three Brothers. There is a legend that these rocks protect the bay from the sea storms. The locals say that there was a village on the shore which suffered a lot from the frequent storms. Then three strong men, three brothers, from the village decided to protect their neighbors and families and walked into the water to halt the storm. They were so strong and powerful that the ocean only could reach their chests. However, the ocean god didn't like it, and when he could not defeat the brothers, he turned them into rocks. Now this beautiful legend, as well as the romantic view of the rocks, attracts lots of people every year. Kamchatka offers you a million of cool activities. Together with mountain trekking and ocean sailing, you can try rafting on mountain rivers. If you have never done this, now it is a perfect moment to start. You will have a great challenge, and at the end of the trip, you will definitely be proud of yourself. As a bonus, you will see awesome landscapes on the way, enjoy the fresh air, physical activity, and teamwork. In the evenings, you will sit closely around the campfire, cook the most delicious meals that you will never find in the top restaurants in the world, and sing together with your new friends. After such an adventure, no one comes home the same person as they used to be. Surely, Kamchatka Peninsula is the area where you come as close to wildlife as you could never imagine. What about visiting wild bears on Kurila Lake? However, don't expect to play with them or to feed them from your hands. They are wild animals, and you will need to be accompanied by the armed professional guide. Anyway, this is your unique chance to see the big brown bears fishing and sunbathing at the lake. Meanwhile, Kamchatka gives you quite a few opportunities to fish. There are lots of rivers and lakes, as well as the ocean, where your chances to catch delicacy fish are extremely high. You can have it cooked straight away, and we bet the real Kamchatka fish soup will be the most delicious thing you have ever tasted. If you sail out to the ocean, you can not only fish but also meet the sea lions. They come to Kekurne Cape to rest, so you have a chance to come close and see these amazing creatures in the wild. The impression about Kamchatka will not be complete without trying local specialities. Apart from the famous fish soup called uha, you will find lots and lots of seafood of all kinds. There is a great variety of fish, crabs, and caviar. The locals eat fish cooked in a million different ways: boiled, fried, smoked, salted, and they even make fish salad with the wild berries. Also, many local villages are well known for their field pastries called pirashki. This is truly divine. Of course, there is a lot of food you can pick in the forest, berries and mushrooms. Try homemade berry jam. This is the best thing you can have with your evening herbal tea. These are just few things that Kamchatka has to offer. For the rest, you just need to come and to experience it. And I'm sure that this will be such an unusual journey that you will remember it for the rest of your life. In the following releases, we will share more of the hidden treasures of Russia. Subscribe to our channel and discover the miracles of this world with us. We will be very grateful for comments, shares and likes. And see you soon on our Russian Travel Guide YouTube channel.